Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. Today, I'm going to show you how to back up your snaps and memories on Snapchat. This will ensure that all your favorite moments are safe and easily accessible. Open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. When your profile opens, go to the settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the options and find the Memories section. Tap on it and you'll see a new menu with multiple options. In this menu, look for Save Destinations and tap Save button. This setting allows you to choose where to save your Snapchat content. Here, you have a few choices. You can save to Memories, Camera Roll, or both. For the best backup, select Memories and Camera Roll. This way, every snap and memory you create will be saved directly to your phone's storage. And that's it! Now all your Snapchat memories are safely backed up on your device. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video!